So we're here today with the Valko team, and we're just going to talk about our market update for the summer. I mean, it's certainly been a busy summer. When we're looking at over the last 30 days, which would have been in the month of August, compared to last year, we're actually up about 12% in terms of sale prices, which is a very, very positive considering last year was such a super busy year historically, as a matter of fact, for Canada right across the board for home purchasing. And so when we're breaking down those stats for everyone, the big increase in terms of sales is on condos, which is pretty surprising for the KW area. However, we're seeing that more of the younger generation is only being able to afford that condo purchase price in KW because values continue to rise. So we're finding that builders as well too, with the cost of land rising as well, we're finding they're more building up as opposed to across. So more condominiums being built, more townhouses, stacked townhouses as well too. So we're seeing about a 25% increase in actual condominium activity over the last 30 days, which is really pretty historical, especially this year as well. We're seeing about a 5% increase in sales on detached houses, and the median in terms of the average house price in the KW Cambridge market is around $483. So still up. We're still up 12% from last year as well too. So still that healthy market in KW. We're finding this month, which we're getting into that September, we find that rush at that point where a lot of people are looking to purchase in the KW area prior to the year end to kind of get that fresh start for 2019. So super busy this month doing pre-approvals. A lot of people looking at the market. The actual sales have increased about 8 to 9% in the area for more houses beyond the market, which is a good thing. It's going to give people more choice and options to take a look at. One of the big factors that I was privy to information this week, speaking with one of the economists with one of the Canadian mortgage insurance companies, is they're saying that KW is the #1 city in Canada right now for growth. And so what their forecast is over the next 3 years is about a 15 to 20% increase in values overall across the board, whether it's condominiums, single detached, detached house. So again, still a really strong market, very healthy for the economy. We're going to, again, have another 3 years of a robust time for the housing market, and really having those conversations with our clients are key to make sure that we have them understanding their financing pre-approved so that they are able to get into the market sooner than later with values continuing to rise. So we're not seeing that market flatten out at all. We're seeing that continuing to increase. We're still a great area for people to commute if they're working in Toronto or even if they're working in London. We're still that centralized area as well too. I think that's very attractive for home buyers wanting to purchase and being able to still afford a very nice detached house and still be able to commute to work as well too. So we're very advantageous for a lot of the homeowners that came from the GTA and coming into our Kitchener Waterloo area. So overall, very positive 6 months to the year for sure, and we're continuing that trend going forward. So that's our update for this month, and we'll see you next month.